This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Hello and welcome back. So in this quick video I'm going to show you how to get to Canva and a quick preview of what it is. So all you want to do is head over to google.com and type in Canva, Canva, hit enter and click on this first one here, first organic search result here called canva.com. So click on it just like so, and then here we have the website. So all you want to do is sign up with Facebook, Google or your email address and then log in like so. And once you've done that, we will start creating your first few projects. So yeah, it's super easy, it's super quick, it's free to use unless you want the premium, which isn't too good, but as you can see if I go to features, look, this shows all of the different document types you can design, all the different photo editing styles, all the different graphs and so on. And then we have tools, you have photo editor, color palette, font combinations, and then there's a few different things about the about them, the story, careers, media, and so on and so forth. And then the product, web, iPad, iPhone for work, education, non-profits, and then pricing. So the pricing we're going to click on right now for the premium version. As you can see, it's $12.95 a month or $9.95 a month, which will be discounted as $120 a year, which means you are saving money if you pay yearly. But to use Canva, it is free forever. You will not need this paid subscription at all, okay? So yeah, that's that. This is Canva. It's super awesome. It's free to use, and I would say absolutely everyone should be using it as it's absolutely fantastic and awesome. So yeah, that's that. It's canva.com, canva.com. And then you will be on the website ready to sign up, log in, and start designing. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.